So you were also speaking like just before the podcast. So you were speaking about a few different ventures that you had taken in this whole journey itself, sir. So do you mind sharing a few?
Yeah, I mean, I wanted to try different side hustles. Right. So I tried one side hustle in stock markets.
Okay.
Any IT guy, right? When they wanted to do a side hustle, can he do an alone? Is there any business where he will not have less dependency?
Right.
So I figured it was stock market one of the business, one of the passive income way where we can make out little money. So then I learned for 2 to 3 years. I read a lot of books, lot of video materials.
Okay.
I collected all the data. So then I started investing. I started with a very little, say 5,000 rupee, 10,000 rupee. So then I started seeing results. Then we figured out a way where we can make a good business. Then the whole business went into crores.
Okay.
So I had a very huge investment in stock market, and I was doing options.
Okay.
I learned equity, then I learned a little on future, then I learned something on options. So then there's something called option selling. So we started doing, along with my friend, we started doing option selling. That we did for 2.5 years. Our success ratio used to be 99.97.
Wow.
Out of 10,000 trades, we were losing only 3 trades.
Yeah.
So rest all, it's a complete past away. You know, right, when everything is going in your favor, right? Then it started giving huge returns, high returns. Right. So then when it was completely high, completely past you, things started changing.
Right.
So then we suddenly started losing.
Right.
Our technique or our method, whatever we have built, did not work.
Okay.
So back to back we started losing, and we started losing nearly crore. And it's not small amount.
Yeah.
So then after losing continuously for 6 months, then I understood I cannot run the show.
Right.
It's not part of my game.
Right.
Then we closed the business. So if somebody, an IT guy who wanted to do a side hustle in the stock market, I would say no.
Okay.
From the books I read, from the knowledge I have got, from the money I have invested. If not, they can read out any of the Nitin Kamath articles or Nikhil Kamath WTF show. So he was very clear. Retail investors, it's okay to invest in equity, or they can, as I said earlier, they can probably focus on creating a corpus fund. But not a side hustle completely depending on stock market. I won't suggest a full-time trading.
Right.
And after that, when people are retrieving their goods and they're coming to Bangalore, so I started figuring out where they are going.
Right.
So then I saw another venture into paying guest hostels.
Okay.
There was a sudden search. So then we built a website there. We started addressing traffic. Every day we were getting around 2,000 to 3,000 inquiries that they need a hostel, they need a PG bed.
Okay.
We created a marketplace and we created a mobile app.
Okay.
And we started leasing out few buildings. And we did a very decent infra, and we started putting a fair price. And it was a very good traction.
Okay.
And business went well. Then again, due to bandwidth issues, I couldn't run the show.
Okay.
But when you compare with the margin, again, for any IT guy, I would say that if they are getting high paid, so then even PG doing a side hustle would be bit difficult.
Right.
So they won't be satisfied because they have to work all 7 days.
Yeah.
Right from morning 5 a.m. to midnight 12.
Yeah.
So it's a full-time job. Then side hustle with a full-time job and working 24/7, it's not gonna easy. And the margins, whatever they're gonna get compared to their IT job, so they have to take a trade-off.
Yeah.